A report will need to be linked to a source of data, and that data source will be a single or multiple forms in your PerfectForms account. The Data Sources section is found in the Report Properties panel on the right. If you don't have Report Properties open, simply click in the background area behind the report drawing canvas. Click the New button to create a new data source. You may enter a name for your data source, or press the Select button to drill down and select the form you want to point to. The data source will take the name of that form. You will only see published forms in the list. In the Fields column on the left, check the boxes for the fields you want to work with. Notice that the name in the left column includes the page name and the object name, and you don't always need all of that information. So in the display name column on the right, you can enter an abbreviated name which will be easier to work with. We'll select a few more fields, including the caption of the department drop-down, remembering that the caption is where the department name will be found. At the foot of the data source, you will see some metadata, which includes parameters that are stored in the properties of a form rather than input fields on the form. We will use the Meta Stage option for this example. This will be the current workflow stage of the form instances. At the foot of the table, you will find buttons to select all fields and to clear all fields in the data source. Use the Refresh button to update the data source list after changes have been made to the form and published. Please do remember that you can have multiple data sources in a report, which can be from the same or different forms in your system. We will look at filter options in a different tutorial video.